wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Izharfiddin Irni, and we are going to present our work on the Technopreneur assignment. Here with me is my group members. We got Dimas Alamsyah and Gozali Karunia. For our title is Coconut Fiber Composite as an Environmentally Friendly Solution for Brake Pads. And for the first few slides, Gozali will explain it.
Okay,
Gozali,
so
this is yours.
Okay, thank you. So this is our 3D model of our composite brake pads, as you can see there. Okay, move to the next slide. So for chapter 1, this is problem analysis. So there's a problem statement canvas. Then the context of the canvas is after the usage of a brake page, to the remaining plate of the brake pads are thrown away without being recycled. And the problems are, so based on the research, in 2023, Indonesia ranks 14 in the domestic vehicle sales. Brake pads are one of the most disposable part of a vehicle. Yes, it is currently still expensive and not environmental friendly, which is not recycled and hard to decompose. And the alternative are people are still using conventional brake pads. Some try to be environmental friendly by purchasing others environmentally friendly alternative, for example, like wood chips. So for the customers, owners of the motor vehicle in Indonesia, especially electric vehicles owners. And there is some impact like emotional impact and quantifiable impact. So for the emotional impact, the guilty feeling of wasting money and using products that are bad for the environment. While for the quantifiable impact, currently the conventional brake pads cost around 350,000 rupiah that last around 18 months, depend on the usage. And 5% automotive waste came from the brake pads usage. And there are alternative shortcomings. So for the shortcoming, conventional brake pads are quite expensive and cannot be recycled. And for the current alternatives such as wood chips brake pads, it's still hard to find and very expensive. Move to the next slide. So this is the SWOT analysis. The strengths are eco-friendly, biodegradable, renewable source, low cost, and lightweight. And for the weakness are durability, consistency, and market acceptance. So for the opportunity, there is a growing demand for sustainable products, research and development, partnership, and self-advocating market. And for the threat is competitions, regulatory problems, and other substitute material. Move to the next slide, please. Okay, there's a problem conclusion there. So for the problem is, with the ever-increasing mass purchase of the motor vehicle and the increasing recognition on environmental care, a substitute of an unrecyclable part of vehicle brake pads needs an environmental-friendly alternative. And the solution is coconut shell brake pads, which is our product called Cocoshakes, using a compound of coconut shell waste and resin, creating easily decomposed and cheap brake pads. And there's also the benefit of the brake pads, which is for the society, such as reducing the automotive waste by 5%, creating a 20% cheaper cost for brake pads. And for the business benefit, the potential breakthrough on brake pads for electric vehicle market, there is a 300 average yearly increase, and by partnering with electric vehicle manufacturer. So for the chapter 2 will be discussed by my friend Alamsyah.
Go ahead, Alamsyah. Explain about the business model canvas.
Okay, so for the business model canvas, we have our key partners, is coconut fiber suppliers and local automotive spare parts distributor. and car and motorcycle workshop. Our key activities is procurement of quality coconut fiber, efficient production process for brake pads, and marketing and promotion of product. Our key resources is locality coconut fiber raw materials, brake pad production factory, and management team with knowledge of production and marketing. Our value proposition is eco-friendly brake pads made from coconut fiber, competitive brake performance, and competitive pricing. And lastly, contribution to reducing coconut waste and the use of hazardous chemicals. Our customer relationship model is responsive to customer, such as customer service, such as via email, phone, and social media. And also, there is our loyalty programs for our consistent customers. And lastly, educational campaign about the environmental benefits of using coconut fiber brake pads. Our channel for our business model is direct sales through online store, and distribution through local automotive spare parts stores, and partnership with car and automotive workshop. Our customer segmentation is electric motor vehicle users, such as cars, motorcycle, bicycle, and those who prioritize and care about the environment. Second is motor vehicle manufacturers looking for eco-friendly alternative for vehicle components. And for our cost structure, the brake pad production cost is around 550,000 rupiah, and for distribution and delivery cost is around 800,000 rupiah. Our revenue streams will be directly from sales of brake pads to end consumers, and also sales to workshops and industry. Next.
Okay, thank you, Alamsyah, for the explanation regarding the PMC. The next is feasibility analysis, which I will explain. The first feasibility analysis is to analyze the impact of social events to our product. There is 4 stages in this. The first one is the international. In the international level, there is resource scarcity, regulatory tense, and environmental issue, along with SDG and corporate carbon taxing. In the national level, there is abundant coconut waste, government support regarding renewable sources, and the growth in e-vehicle sector. And then in the regional sector, there is coconut processing facilities around the area. And then there is the market dynamics, which people tend to buy things that is cheaper. And along with our method of using waste to turn the economy. And then the final one is the internal, which is direct workshop network. We will sell our product to B2B and B2C. The next one is the product feasibility. It is separated into desirability and demand. For desirability, the trend of global warming reaches the ears of people due to many congresses of sustainability, such as B20 and COP21. It impacts globally and creating wave of communities that has the urge to save the planet. For the demand, there is 71% increase in online searches for environmentally friendly goods. In a survey by McKinsey & Co., millennials tend to choose quality over price by 5% difference in statistics. And for the market and industry feasibility, there is the industry attractiveness. Automotive industry has been one of the largest industry in Indonesia. Indonesia is the 14th ranked country in terms of domestic vehicle sales. GDP statistic of Indonesia automotive industry is 10.16% with annual growth rate of 1.28%. And the market attractiveness for this product is that the target market for motor vehicle user with eco-friendly tendency. Therefore, the target audience is the 75,000 of electric vehicle user in Indonesia who opt for electric options. The market for this product is currently having 300% yearly increase with only several competition for other alternatives. So for the organizational structure, the head is director along with secretary and human resource manager, and it is separated into other few branches, which is research and development, operational, finance and legal, commercial and branding, and external relation with their own staffing, as in this chart. And the next one is the resource management, which is not yet quite complete. The plan regarding the management is divided into resource and human resource. For the human resource, there will be planning duration in our company, and then we will open recruitment, then into the selection phase, then orientation and training, then work evaluation. For the available resources, we could conclude that there are 4, which is workshop, office, bank loan, and available relation. For the workshop layout, currently it is not yet done. Will be coming soon in the submission for the whole assignment. And then the available relation is the electric vehicle retailer and the logistic truck owner for the distribution, and the online-based office using the currently trending office space to have an online work frame using Zoom and Drive. And for the bank loan credit, having this asset of bank loan credit, we could use it to request a loan for our capital expense from the bank. The final one is the financial feasibility. As you can see here, since our business is a B2B and B2C, we tend to have a large expense since our production is quite mass of 40,000 monthly in first year, then gradually increasing by 1,000 each year. So this is for the expense of year 2 and year 3. It increases every year because our production increases. And for the, why is it zoom very much? Okay, so for the test result, we have 5 financial feasibility parameters. The first one would be NPV, and the NPV result is more than 1, which we decide to accept. The second one is the payback payload, resulting in 2.89, which we could conclude that it is less than 3 years, which is 2 years and 11 months. Therefore, we decide to accept. And then the third one is the accounting rate of return, which is 67.77%, and it is above 48%, thus it is accepted. And then we set the value of our IRR above the lowest value of 12. We set it to 15. Therefore, it is accepted. And then the final parameter is PI, which we get the value of 2.03, and it is above 1. Therefore, it is accepted. So to conclude this, that this business model is quite financially feasible. And then the chapter 4 about market analysis will be explained by Alamsyah.
Okay, for our market analysis, there is 4 stages. There is, we need to determine first. First of all, is our mission. This mission that we want to do in this company. First is the environmental stewardship, which our mission in this point is to reduce the automotive industry and environmental footprint by offering coconut fiber composite brake pads, by prioritizing the sustainability through the use of the renewable materials and the performance excellence. We are dedicated to providing the brake pads with high performance, power, durability, and safety under various of driving conditions. Next, our mission is innovation of leadership. We strive to lead in the automotive industry in innovation by introducing the novel solutions that combine sustainability with cutting-edge technology. And for the fourth mission is global impact. We aim to contribute a cleaner and greener planet to our products, which is corresponding to the zero emission initiation, which we want to use renewable resources for our future self. And lastly, for our mission is customer satisfaction. Our complement extends to ensuring the utmost satisfaction for our customer by offering high quality products and exceed their expectation for performance, longevity, and comfort. Our business landscape analysis are changes. We want to change the regulatory environment. The next is consumer preference and technological advancement. For our customer, we want to reach our environmental awareness, performance expansion, and cost consideration. To our competitors, the traditional bread manufacturers, emerging sustainable solution, regulatory and compliance. In terms of company, we are having a innovative product development, good market position, and supply chain management. For our market segmentation, we are going to use 4 category, which is based on the category, geography, based on demography, and psychographic. For the first thing, for the category segmentation, we are marketing for passenger vehicle, off-road vehicle, and commercial vehicle. In terms of geography, we are segmenting in urban areas, suburban, and rural areas. For the demography, our segmentation is for young adults to older individuals. For income level, we target segment in middle to upper class. For occupation, we are targeting in professional to entrepreneur. For the psychographic, our market segmentation is consumer who prioritize the sustainability and renewable resources. Next is consumer who appeal to outdoor activities such as off-road and etc. And we prioritize on the consumer who relies on performance and reliability. And this is our marketing strategies using 7 Ps, which is products, price, place, promotion, physical evidence, people, and process. Our implementation for the product strategies is emphasizing eco-friendly composition, superior performance and durability of coconut fiber composition brake pads. For price, we are setting a competitive price reflecting our value compared to traditional options. And place, we are partnering with retailers, online platform, and specialty stores for available and sell directly on the website. Our promotion using digital marketing, content creation, and partnership to raise awareness for the sustainability and renewable resources. Our physical evidence is the design of our product, which is eco-friendly packaging, eco-friendly product, and etc. For the people strategies, we are training our customer service for personalized assistance, and lastly for the process, optimizing supply chain for efficiency and sustainability.
Okay, thank you, Dimas, for the presentation regarding the marketing strategy. So far, that is our progress regarding this Technopreneur assignment. We would like to thank you, everyone who is watching this, and we hope everyone learn something. That is it from us. Thank you very much.